To people who want to be admired. When someone is properly grounded in life, they shouldn't have to look outside themselves for approval. My friend, what is it you want?
I am satisfied if my desires and aversions agree with nature, if I exercise impulse and refusal as I was born to do, and if I practice purpose, design, and assent the same way.
So why are you acting so stuck up?
I want everyone I meet to admire me, to follow me around, shouting, "What a great philosopher!"
And who exactly are these people that you want to be admired by? Aren't they the same people you are in the habit of calling crazy? And this is your life ambition, then, to win the approval of lunatics.